Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make creamy coleslaw dressing. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for a truly delicious dressing. You will need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget a touch of Dijon mustard and some celery seeds for that classic flavor. Finally, salt and freshly ground black pepper are crucial for achieving perfect seasoning and balance in your homemade dressing. Now let's combine our wet ingredients. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add 1 cup of your chosen mayonnaise. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This provides a lovely tang that cuts through the richness. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, which balances the acidity and adds a touch of sweetness. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a subtle, savory depth that truly elevates the dressing's profile. Moving on to the dry ingredients and seasoning. Add 1/2 teaspoon of celery seeds to the mixture. These tiny seeds provide a unique, aromatic flavor that is characteristic of great coleslaw. Next, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt to enhance all the flavors. Include 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper for a gentle warmth. Whisk all these ingredients together thoroughly until the dressing is completely smooth and well combined, ensuring no lumps remain. Once your dressing is perfectly mixed, it's time for a crucial step: chilling. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the dressing for at least 30 minutes, or even longer if you have the time. This chilling period allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. When ready to serve, pour the creamy dressing over your shredded cabbage and carrots. Toss gently to coat all the vegetables evenly, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.